Listen, I know you're smart enough not to fall for the lies that you're hearing all over the place. I know you're smart enough to realize that things take time. They really do. 20 pounds of extra fat that you've increased over time, the lack of energy and the lack of strength that you've slowly developed over time doesn't just go away like that. Those quick fixes that you're hearing out there where you can lose 20 pounds in a month, you know better than that, right? I'm thinking you do, because you've built a life, you've built a career with your brain, with your energy, and with your drive. And the cool thing is, you can use that incredible drive to make all of these things change for you. You can rebuild your body using that, but you just need the right strategy. You just need the right plan. And that's what I train my clients with: logic, smart ways of doing things that are practical, long-term, and they're going to be effective long-term. No quick fixes, no easy shortcuts. You got to put in the work. You've already done the work in your life and your career. You've made great things happen. We can do that the same thing with your body. Seriously. It's not as hard as you think it is. It just takes effort, determination, and time. That's it. But you already have that. You already do. You just need to work with the right person who's going to get you there in the right way. And that's what I'm here for. All right, man? I just wanted to shout out and let you know that don't fall for the lies. You know better. Talk to you soon.